Hello friends, I'm Leo. Leo the lion. Roar! I am a friendly lion. I love to go on adventures. Today is an adventure day. We're going to the jungle. Are you ready to explore with me? Let's go, go, go. The jungle is so exciting. Wow! Look at all the tall trees, green leaves everywhere. What will we find here? So many amazing things to see. I wonder what colors we will discover and what animals we will meet. Let's use our super looking eyes and our super listening ears. Step, 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 so many sounds. Can you hear the birds? Tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, chirp. Shh. We need to walk softly. What will we see first? I spy with my little eye something special. Let's go a little closer. Adventure is waiting. Come on, let's investigate. This is so much fun. Oh, look, up in the big green tree. What is that colorful bird? Wow, it has such bright feathers. So very beautiful. I see a lot of red. Yes, red, R-E-D, red. Can you say red with me? Red, what a fantastic bright color. This is our first color today. It's a parrot. Hello, Rosie, the red parrot. Rosie has a strong curved beak. She uses it to crack open tasty seeds. Crunch, crunch. Her feathers are so shiny, especially her red feathers. Red, red, red. Listen, Rosie the parrot is talking. Squawk. Hello, Leo, she says. Squawk, pretty bird, pretty red bird. Wow, Rosie can talk just like us. That is so clever, Rosie. Now she's flying. Flap, 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 go her beautiful wings. Look at her red wings go. She flies from branch to branch. So amazing. Red is such a wonderful color. Do you know other red things like a yummy red strawberry, sweet and juicy, or a big red fire engine? Nee-naw goes the fire engine. Rosie the parrot is red, R-E-D, red. Let's always remember this lovely color. Red, goodbye for now, Rosie the red parrot. Squawk! Let's keep walking through the jungle. What else can we find? Oh, wow! Look down there, near those pretty jungle flowers. Something is fluttering by. It's so small and delicate. What color is it? It's blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. A beautiful bright blue butterfly. Isn't it lovely? Hello, little blue butterfly. Let's call him Barnaby. Barnaby the blue butterfly. B-B butterfly. Barnaby's wings are such a pretty blue. Blue like the big wide sky on a sunny day. Or blue like the deep splashy ocean. Splash! Barnaby has two tiny feelers on his head. They wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Blue Barnaby is so gentle. Barnaby the butterfly loves to drink nectar from the colorful jungle flowers. Slurp, slurp, slurp. What a sweet treat for Barnaby. He flies from one flower to another. Flutter, flutter, flutter go his blue wings. They look like tiny blue fans. So light and quick. Blue Barnaby dances in the air. So graceful. Blue is such a cool color. Can you think of blue things? Maybe some tasty blueberries. Yum, yum. Or your favorite blue toy car. Vroom, vroom. Barnaby the butterfly is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Let's remember this calm and pretty color. Blue. Goodbye for now, Barnaby the blue butterfly. Flutter away. Our jungle adventure is so much fun. What's that noise I hear? Hee hee hee. Chuckle, chuckle. It sounds like someone is laughing. Look up, up, up in the trees, swinging on a long green vine. It's a cheeky animal. And it's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. A playful yellow monkey. Hello there, funny monkey. Let's call him Miko. Miko the yellow monkey. Monkey. Miko is covered in soft yellow fur. His fur is so bright. Bright yellow like the warm sunshine. Shine, shine, shine down on us, Mr. Sun. Miko has a long curly tail. He uses it to balance and swing. Whee! Yellow Miko is so energetic. Miko the monkey loves to eat bananas. Yummy yellow bananas. Peel the banana, peel the banana. Miko loves them. Munch, munch, munch. He swings through the jungle trees so fast. Whoosh! Swing, swing, swing from vine to vine. Hee, 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 laughs Miko. He's having a brilliant time. Yellow Miko is so happy and cheeky. Yellow is such a happy, cheerful color. What else is yellow? A little yellow baby chick. Peep, peep, peep. Or a big yellow school bus. Beep, beep. Miko the monkey is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Let's remember this sunny and bright color. Yellow. Goodbye for now, Miko the yellow monkey. Keep swinging. Hee hee.